Think professional woodworking tools always come with a hefty price tag? Not anymore. In this video, we're showcasing 10 brand new woodworking tools under $99 on Amazon that offer incredible value without compromising on quality. From precision measuring tools to versatile jigs and smart clamping systems, these tools are designed to make your projects faster, easier, and more accurate, all without breaking the bank. Tool number 7. It's a total game changer you'll want in your workshop today. Without further ado, let's get started. Achieving perfect 90-degree angles is fundamental in woodworking, especially when working on small projects like boxes, drawers, or detailed joinery. Traditional squares are often too bulky to fit into tight corners or narrow spaces, making it difficult to ensure precision where it matters most. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is an essential precision tool for small-scale woodworking where accuracy is critical but space is limited. Designed to check and mark squares in tight, narrow spaces, it excels where standard-size squares can't reach, perfect for tool setup, checking chisel and plane iron edges, or aligning small project parts. The Mini Square features a deep red anodized aluminum finish that highlights any gaps, making imperfections easy to spot. Its compact size offers unmatched control in detailed tasks, like marking joinery or extending layout lines around corners. A relieved inside corner ensures it won't mar or nick delicate tool edges during use. Whether you're dialing in a machine, setting up a jig, or laying out precise cuts, the Woodpeckers Mini Square delivers professional-grade accuracy. When not in use, store it in the included engraved wall-mountable case for safekeeping and quick access. Precision detailing and finishing are fundamental in crafting, repairing, and customizing, especially for projects involving wood, glass, metal, or plastic. Traditional hand tools can be limiting when it comes to intricate carving, fine engraving, or polishing tight spaces, often resulting in uneven finishes or damaged surfaces. The TILSWALL Rotary Tool Kit with 145 accessories is a versatile powerhouse designed for DIYers, hobbyists, and semi-professionals who need precision and flexibility across a wide range of projects. Whether you're carving wood, engraving glass, polishing surfaces, milling, drilling, or cutting, this all-in-one kit delivers consistent performance and control. With a powerful 160-watt motor and variable speed settings, it adapts easily to different materials and tasks. The 145 included accessories give you the tools to refine every detail based on your specific needs, ensuring professional quality results at home. Ideal for intricate craft work, home repairs, or custom creations, the TILSWALL Rotary tool is lightweight, easy to handle, and built for long-lasting use, making it an essential addition to any creative workspace. Creating smooth, clean edges is essential in woodworking, especially for furniture, shelving, and trim work, where exposed corners affect both aesthetics and safety. The Jorgensen corner easing plane is a specialized tool designed to make quick and clean work of edge relief, an essential finishing step in woodworking. Whether you're softening sharp corners on shelves, frames, or furniture edges, this tool delivers smooth, consistent results every time. Crafted from high-grade aluminum and precisely machined, it offers durability and accuracy that professionals and serious hobbyists can rely on. The large, easy-to-use thumb wheel allows for precise depth adjustments, giving you full control over the chamfer size. Equipped with a 45-degree 01 steel blade, it's ready for accurate corner cuts right out of the box, while additional blade profiles are available for expanded use. Ideal for enhancing both the look and feel of your projects, the Jorgensen corner easing plane helps you achieve professional quality finishes with speed and simplicity, all backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Making accurate, visible marks is essential on any job site, especially when cutting, drilling, or laying tile, where precision directly affects the final outcome. Traditional pencils often break, fade in wet conditions, or can't mark on slick or rough surfaces, leading to costly errors and wasted time. The TUFF Carbon Pencil is a rugged, precision marking tool engineered for trade professionals who demand durability and accuracy. Designed in Europe, this heavy-duty pencil excels in both wet and dry conditions, making it ideal for marking on a variety of surfaces, from wood and tile to metal and concrete. It features a long-lasting 2.8 mm carbon lead that delivers bold, reliable lines for on-site efficiency. The stainless steel lead feed tube and robust PP ABS construction ensure long-term durability, while the rounded square body prevents the pencil from rolling off inclined surfaces. Additional features like a built-in sharpener in the cap, belt clip, and quick-change lead system, including all-weather and tile-specific leads, mean you're always ready to work. Whether you're framing, tiling, or plumbing, the TUFF Carbon Pencil is a compact, essential tool that keeps your productivity sharp and your lines even sharper. The Cowryman 040 router plane is a refined upgrade of the 003 model, engineered for precision, comfort, and enhanced control. Designed for fine woodworking tasks like cleaning dados, hinge mortises, and inlay work. This version features larger, custom wooden handles set at an inclined angle for better ergonomics and wider grip spacing. This thoughtful design improves flexibility and reduces fatigue during extended use. The adjustable position handle screw lets you customize the handle placement without interrupting your workflow, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted operation. A lever-style handle provides effortless blade locking, securing the cutter firmly in place. Additionally, the stainless steel knurled nut offers a non-slip grip during depth adjustments, giving you precise control over cutting depth. Crafted with durability and usability in mind, the Cowryman 040 router plane is an indispensable hand tool for woodworkers who demand accuracy, stability, and comfort in fine-tuning joinery and surface leveling. Creating clean, hidden joints is essential in modern woodworking, especially for cabinetry, furniture, and shelving, where both strength and visual appeal matter. The VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a high-precision, durable system designed to make woodworking faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy body and a stainless steel extension support rod, it ensures excellent stability and reduces vibration during drilling. The kit includes an adjustable sliding marker for easy depth setting and a titanium-plated drill bit that delivers uniform, tear-free holes with clean finishes. With 3 chip discharge ports, it prevents clogging and keeps your workspace clean. The detachable guide block transforms into an angled hole clamp, offering versatile applications, while its compact design and portability make it ideal for both workshop and job site use. Whether you're building cabinets, frames, or furniture, this jig ensures accurate angled holes and invisible screw connections every time, helping you achieve strong, seamless joints with professional results. Achieving a clean professional surface finish is essential in painting and refinishing, especially when working with detailed trim, moldings, and architectural features. The ALLWAY Contour Scraper Set is the go-to solution for tackling intricate moldings and irregular surfaces during paint prep and restoration work. Designed with a comfortable soft grip handle and a unique angled shape, this tool offers superior control and ease of use, even in tight or awkward spaces. The set includes 6 hardened and ground stainless steel blades, each tailored for specific applications, from concave and convex profiles to flat work and detailed crown moldings. A built-in file hidden in the handle allows for custom blade modification, ensuring a perfect fit for any shape, crevice, or molding. Whether you're refinishing door casings, baseboards, dowels, or balusters, this kit provides the flexibility and precision needed for professional results. Complete with a convenient storage case, the ALLWAY CS6 Contour Scraper Set is an essential addition to any painter's or woodworker's toolkit. Creating smooth, consistent grooves and accurate trimming is essential in woodworking, especially when crafting cabinetry, furniture, and custom panels. Traditional freehand routing can lead to uneven cuts, misaligned edges, and wasted material, ultimately compromising the quality and precision of your work. The Saker Router Milling Groove Bracket is a highly adaptable and precision-engineered tool designed to elevate your woodworking projects. Compatible with 99% of trim routers on the market, it supports a wide range of applications, including circular milling, equidistant slotting, straight-edge trimming, and round-edge trimming. Built from upgraded aluminum alloy, the bracket ensures exceptional stability and accuracy, even on varied board materials like MDF, chipboard, and solid wood. Its detachable design allows for quick assembly and transformation. Whether you're using it as a router guide, a cabinet hardware template, or a router table insert plate, this tool is a game changer for any woodworker seeking efficient and clean results across multiple tasks. Whether you're crafting furniture, cabinetry, or decorative trims, the Saker Milling Groove Bracket delivers the precision and flexibility needed to get professional quality results every time. Traditional methods of marking and drilling dowel holes can easily result in misalignment, uneven spacing, and weak connections that compromise the integrity and appearance of the final product. The Oscool Self-Centering Dowel Jig Kit is a versatile and precision-engineered tool designed for accurate wood joinery. With a clamping width capacity from 3/8 of an inch to 6 inches, it easily adapts to various board thicknesses, making it ideal for panel furniture, cabinetry, and general woodworking. The fine threaded handle ensures uniform and stable clamping pressure, while the rugged aluminum sides securely hold your workpiece without causing damage. Featuring tapered, countersunk drill bushings, the jig guides the drill bit smoothly and maintains a perfect angle. Especially helpful when using handheld drills, the enlarged alignment window with a clear white index allows for quick and accurate pencil line alignment. Whether you're creating centered or offset joints, this jig makes the process faster and more reliable. Easy to install and use, the Oscool Dowel Jig Kit is a must-have for both professionals and DIY woodworkers. The Infinity Vertical Router Sled offers a safe and precise solution for running vertical workpieces through a router table, table saw, or shaper, traditionally a risky and unstable process. CNC machine from durable high-density polyethylene, the sled glides smoothly across surfaces without scratching. Its fully adjustable clamping bars can tilt up to 45 degrees, making it ideal for mitered cuts, while securely holding material up to 1 inch thick with the included Quick Adjust toggle clamp. For increased holding power, an additional clamp can be attached to the pre-drilled bar. 2 CNC machined aluminum right-angle brackets maintain a true 90-degree reference, and an adjustable foot adds a second contact point for stability on thinner stock. This thoughtful design eliminates wobble, ensures alignment, and provides safer, more accurate vertical routing, making it an essential jig for any serious woodworker tackling joinery, tenons, or decorative edgework. And that's our roundup of 10 awesome woodworking tools under $99 that can seriously upgrade your workshop. Which tool are you adding to your setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found something new for your tool bench, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. We bring you the best in DIY gear, woodworking upgrades, and Amazon tool finds every week. Until next time, build smarter, cut cleaner, and craft like a pro.